The Earth in space, first seen a mere 3 decades ago. Suddenly it was more stunning than we had ever imagined. We saw Earth as a planet, as never before. It was a dramatic new view that marked the beginning of an unprecedented search to understand the dynamic forces that shape our world. In the desolate ice fields of Antarctica, scientists hunt for fragments from space to find clues of Earth's origin. In the fiery cauldron of a Hawaiian volcano, they collect dangerous liquid rock that may reveal hidden mysteries of the Earth's interior. An oceanographer in space surveys a global sea far more turbulent than ever envisioned. Deep-diving submersibles venture into the greatest frontier on Earth to discover fantastic new worlds in the alien deep. We live in an extraordinary era of exploration. We have learned that Earth's surface is cracked and moving, that its continents drift relentlessly across the face of the planet. We have seen the unimaginable. Strange places where the sea floor is pulling apart and where new land is born from volcanoes under the sea. We have unlocked the history of Earth's climate, to solve the riddle of its ice ages past, and to glimpse what the future might hold. Our space probes have uncovered an invisible yet powerful energy driven by the sun, whose impact we are just beginning to fathom. We have traveled to other worlds to find lost secrets of Earth's history, and wonder if life may have been shaped by collisions from outer space. Our Earth is a vast and complex system that has evolved over billions of years, yet a new force may now influence its destiny. We stand on the threshold of a great adventure, equipped with a new generation of technology. We will probe the Earth and beyond for an even more dramatic look at the planet on which we live. Join us now in the first of a new 7-part exploration in the rediscovery of planet Earth.
Major funding for this program is provided by the Annenberg CPB project. Corporate funding for Planet Earth is provided by IBM. IBM is proud to support the innovative spirit of scientific inquiry that made this series possible.
For most of man's history, Earth was a frightening place. Strange, tortured landscapes inspired myth and legend. On the Pacific island of Hawaii, the volcano goddess Pele was believed to curse man by turning him to stone. Primitive people stood in awe of the magic forces surrounding them. The fury of a volcano is but a small clue to the awesome power that forms the Earth's surface. It creates and destroys and creates again. Not until the middle of the 20th century did scientists arrive at the most comprehensive theory about the real forces that shape the Earth. It was a revolution in scientific thought called plate tectonics, from the discovery that the Earth's rigid outer shell is broken into huge moving plates, and from the Greek tecton, to build. In this new view of Earth, the seemingly permanent mountains, oceans, and continents are but the ephemeral manifestations of a continual cycle of creation and destruction. And today, the exploration continues.
Jan, I'm Pete Palmer.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you. Looks like we got a really great day ahead of us.
Yeah, looks like a good one.
Pete Palmer of the Geological Society of America takes us to one of the world's great natural geological laboratories, a place where many chapters of Earth history are revealed. The Grand Canyon. "10 miles across, 250 miles long, a mile deep. But more important, it is a story of vast changes over vast time."
The Colorado River has exposed a spectacular window into the past. In the walls, we see the kinds of evidence that establish geology as a science. Evidence that the Earth has a long history, that it can be understood if we just know the rules. And rock layers are like pages in a book. The horizontal layers preserve a record of seas and rivers and deserts.
Pete Palmer descends ever deeper into the great time capsule of the canyon.
Underneath those horizontal layers, there's a tilted series that records an older record of seas and rivers and even some volcanoes. And beneath them, there are contorted vertical layers that represent the guts of an ancient mountain system.
Scientists can date each of these worlds because radioactive materials in the rock act as a kind of clock. The canyon records some 2 billion years of an Earth that has changed its surface many times. The Grand Canyon dramatically reveals that Earth is old and Earth is dynamic. Over time, whole worlds have been created and destroyed and created again. Just 2 centuries ago, these were radical ideas. Their acceptance began a major revolution in the scientific understanding of the Earth that continues today. The revolution began